In the 2025 Union Budget, the Indian government introduced a landmark policy: nil income tax for individuals earning up to rupees 12 lakh annually. PM Narendra Modi highlighted this as a major middle-class relief, but he also drew a comparison to the taxation system of Jawaharlal Nehru's era. Is this a fair comparison, or is there more beneath the surface? Let's dive deeper into the economic and historical implications of this statement. Understanding the Modi government 12 lakh rupees nil income tax policy. At first glance, the 12 lakh rupees tax exemption sounds like a progressive reform benefiting the middle class. However, there's more to it when we factor in inflation, purchasing power, and economic realities. In the 1960s, the 12 lakh rupees would have made someone an ultra-rich individual. Fast forward to today, in cities like Mumbai or Delhi, 12 lakh rupees places a family in the lower middle class category. Essential services like housing, education and healthcare have seen steep price increases, making this income barely enough for a comfortable life. Beyond purchasing power, India is also facing rising unemployment and economic disparities. While some benefit from the tax exemption, many others are struggling with job insecurity and stagnant wages. The gap between the rich and the poor is widening, with wealth increasingly concentrated in the hands of a few industrialists. PM Modi's comparison with the Nehru era. PM Modi compared today's tax exemption to the high tax rates of Nehru's era. But this comparison doesn't tell the full story. Nehru's era had a socialist economic model with high taxes on the rich and heavy government control. Today, India's economy is more globalized and market-driven, necessitating different fiscal policies. Yes, tax rates were higher in Nehru's time, sometimes exceeding 90%, but 1 lakh rupees in the 1960s held much more purchasing power. Today, despite lower taxes, inflation and the depreciation of the rupee make earnings worth less. In the 1960s, the rupee's value was far stronger. But today, with the exchange rate crossing 86 rupees to $1, we see a sharp decline in the rupee's purchasing power. The counter-arguments in favour of Modi's statement. Supporters of PM Modi's approach argue that lower taxes encourage spending and stimulate economic activity. They also point to the government's focus on digital infrastructure, startups, and manufacturing as key to future job creation. However, in reality, this freedom seems more like an illusion. The policies benefit a select group of crony capitalists, while the broader population sees little improvement in their economic situation or living standards. The Modi government may claim to foster financial freedom for businesses and individuals, but it's the few powerful industrialists that truly benefit. In stark contrast to Nehru's era, where the socialist policies of the government were designed to control and regulate the economy for the benefit of the people, today it's the crony capitalists, RSS, BJP, and Hindutva philosophies that hold the reins. The government's decisions, policies and institutions are deeply influenced by these forces, leaving the common person behind. So, what does this all mean for India's future? The 12 lakh rupees, no income tax policy is more about adjusting for inflation than providing real tax relief. While it may be politically attractive, it doesn't address deeper issues like unemployment, rising costs, and growing inequality. India needs more than tax cuts. It requires comprehensive policies that create jobs, foster genuine economic growth, and provide financial security to all, especially the middle and lower income groups. In the end, PM Modi's tax policy may seem generous, but it's crucial to consider the broader context. India's future hinges on sustainable growth and a balanced economy, not just tax exemptions. Thank you for watching. For more insights on India's economy, stay tuned to Taylor's Insights. If this video captivates your interest, be sure to subscribe to our channel, appreciate our content with a thumbs up, and share the experience with your friends.